In primetime news this evening, quarantine hell. More cries of mistreatment from persons in state facilities. This evening, the government responds. Poverty. The plight of a St. Catherine family barely surviving. And exams in July. CXC going ahead with sitting despite objection from countries including Jamaica. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're both on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the business day, sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather. But first, the feedback question.
Our feedback question this evening: what are your thoughts about the conditions some persons in quarantine say they have had to endure?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.